Now see this question that has been asked in GATE 2010 and ES 2014. Here this is a network and this is voltage V at this terminal of this network, and this is current I, and this is 1 ohm resistance connected through it. Here V plus I is equals to 100 is the load line of source. Now if 1 ohm is connected, then current through it is okay. So here to solve this question we use the concept of Thevenin theorem. Suppose this is point A and this is point B, and we have to find the Thevenin voltage across this point A and B and Thevenin resistance through this point A and B. So once we find the Thevenin voltage and Thevenin resistance, after that we can easily find the current through this 1 ohm resistance. So I already told you a concept that suppose this is a network and we have to find the VTH and RTH across this terminal AB. Then what we do? We simply assume a voltage Vx at this terminal and a current Ix in this direction, and finally we write the equation in the form Vx is equals to Aix plus B. When we write the equation in this form, then this A gives the value of RTH and this B gives the value of VTH. Now here also, if we write this equation in this form, here Vx is equivalent to voltage V and Ix is equivalent to minus I, because here we assume the direction of current Ix like this, but here direction of current is opposite. So Vx is equivalent to V and this Ix is equivalent to minus I. So if we replace this in this equation, then we can write this equation as V is equals to minus I plus 100. Okay, but this minus I is equivalent to Ix, because Ix is equals to minus I. So now here A is 1. So we can say that here A is equals to RTH is equals to 1 ohm. And what is VTH? That is equals to B is equals to 100 volt is equals to VTH. Now we can write the Thevenin equivalent circuit. Here this is VTH, that is equals to 100 volt. And what is RTH? RTH is equals to 1 ohm. And now we have to find if 1 ohm resistance is connected to this terminal, then what is the current through it? Okay. So current is simply given by, suppose here current is IR. So IR is equals to V by R, that is 100 by 1 plus 1, that is equals to 50 ampere. So this is very effective method to solve such type of question. You can easily solve. So here is the solution of this question. Now see this question. Here this network is given and this voltage source and this current is applied to this network, and current I is given as 0.2 volt minus 2. Okay, this is 0.2 volt minus 2. So for this circuit we have to find the value of VTH and RTH. Okay, so many students get confused while solving this question, but here you have to use the concept which I have already told to you. So I told you then when this is a network, okay, and this is point AB, and we have to find VTH and RTH across this terminal AV, then in that case what we do? we assume voltage Vx across this terminal, and we assume current like this. Okay, after assuming this voltage and current, we write the equation in the form Vx is equals to AIX plus B. When we write the equation in this form, then this A denotes the value of RTH and this B denotes the value of VTH. So here now compare this circuit, this question figure with this circuit. On comparing, we can see that this Vx is equivalent to this V and this current Ix is equivalent to I, and polarity is same in both of these cases. So if we write the equation like this, V is equals to, so here we have to write the equation in the form V is equals to AI plus B. So in this case, this A and V will denote RTH and VTH respectively. So how we can do this? Here current is given simply, that is equals to 0.2 volt minus 2. So we have to write this current I, that is given as 0.2 volt minus 2, in the form of voltage V is equals to, that is equals to I plus 2 by 0.2 divided by 0.2. So we can write this equation as simply V is equals to 5I plus 10. Okay, we can easily write like this. So when we write this equation like this, then we get this similar equation. So here in this equation, this 5 is the value of RTH and this 10 is the value of VTH. If you know the concept, then you can easily solve this question within 30 seconds. Just you have to write this equation in this form, that is V is equals to 5I plus 10. Once you write the equation in this form, then this 5 is equals to RTH and this 10 is equals to VTH. Okay, so you must remember this concept. So whenever we have to find the equivalent, Thevenin equivalent across this network, then we can do it by assuming voltage Vx here and current Ix going through this terminal and write the equation in this form. Then in this case, this constant A denotes the value of RTH and this constant V will denote the value of VTH.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.